Today we're excited. We're going to pick up one of our customers that we made at the Canton Fair. So follow us as we go pick them up at the hotel. We just arrived at the hotel and we can't wait to meet our customer. Let's go. Good morning, sir. How are you? Good to see you again.
How you feeling?
Feeling good. Do you? Yes. All right. Okay. Okay, we can go. How was your night? Yes, please. No problem.
I have the Detroit too. Yeah. And then the interior staircase, we're gonna read glass.
No problem. That's our profession. We interior designing.
Yeah.
All right.
This is day one building. Yeah, we might have. Yeah. Awesome. Thank you so much, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, but we need about
Eight doors.
yes. Now, which is your best interior doors? That
Best interior doors? So
yeah, like this. Look at this. This is it. Somebody told me that if I get a water jet machine.
If you have it, it's okay because I think there was water jet is not usually in house.
No, it's
Yes,
not. You're right.
Yeah. Look.
Have the profile like this and then the cover of the LED line. We have customers with the render.
You do the render.
And then we take the position of the what material inside. So this is very clear, like this is the area of living room. And then we help customers to make the rendering. And for me, we can sell the whole one like 6 meters and you just cut it by yourself.
Oh,
That's even better.
Oh, so then how do you get, then who will do the soldering? Who will do the soldering?
Two piece, one piece, and then you just connect and
There's
polish.
a separation line here.
Polish.
Yeah.
And then the second, all
With the box.
It's in the back.
it's in the back. It's in the back.
So we should also ask if this line of thing can stay in place, right? But also, can you get a vertical light pushing out?
I think it's possible to have a vertical light on the other panel. Yeah, I think it's possible. Yeah.
This area,
It's not straight.
and then the pantries, those pantries now. That's a pantry, right? Yeah.
Stop. Otherwise your life will be like this. Why your fingers are all like this?
I think
This for the window.
is that window?
Famous, Rachel, famous
My grandma.
will
This
win
grandma that I remember.
the real thing is older, you know, famous but not older.
Do you want this much finish?
This series, I don't suggest for you.
You don't suggest this? Okay, let's go to one more that you suggest.
Yeah, this one better.
That's the glass. This here, but you're restricted. You know you can only open one side.
Yeah, where you want some air coming from the house.
One five, wide, 1 feet high. Give me that. Did you get this one?
Yeah. Okay. So this one is already complete set, right? Complete size in the drawing.
And the drawing, yes. This is good. This numbers are good.
Okay.
Like that is how thick this door.
You understand my country. Yes, yes. The laundry room. So one is. And then which one of these doors? Which one would you put in the bathroom door? This is glass, right?
But the glass is not easy to fold.
It's not easy.
So I think you can consider for the aluminum.
The aluminum is good, but I like the high gloss finish. The doors gonna have to be the door. This is the bed. This is
This is the key with images, right? It's not
if you have to ask, you don't.
It's the price.
Yes. You just label, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes, yes. Maybe you could provide 2 options for your design.
For design.
China, some are imported from Italy, Greece, or Turkey.
Not possible?
It was possible.
You mean for outside or inside?
This one for inside. So what it? And now close. And
Because the one that the mirror that from the ceiling.
I mean, if this is for
I will change the. Do you sell those faucets? Do you have those faucets? Where it's your do you have them installed? And the light, okay. The top,
how much more customized can you do?
you add one.
Green is the whole thing, right? Okay, waterfall is the one. Yeah, she needs to confirm this one.
Okay.
that's about maybe. Okay, so the outside, that chromotherapy. Yeah, chromotherapy. Yeah, okay, thank you.
It was such a pleasure.
It's so good to see you.
Definitely,
So
definitely.
we're definitely going to be chatting. So
Yes, we'll be in touch. Definitely. Yes. Oh, nice to meet you.
Mind up on one, I see everything.
Yeah.
Hi, Diana.
Hi, Jonathan. I'm so excited to finally meet you in person.
Wow. And how did you get to know us?
Through YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah, you are a YouTube star.
Wow.
And yeah, you in my what do you call it? My Instagram or my YouTube channel. Yeah.
Great. So where are you
List.
coming from?
I'm coming from the USA.
How long have you been in China?
We've been in China now for a little over 2 weeks.
Over 2 weeks. So is this your first time coming to Fortune?
This is my first time coming to Foshan.
How's the experience?
It's been great. I've
Wow.
come here just to see you and your team.
Wow. But how's been the experience with your group?
It's been great. I mean, you guys have everything from start to finish to complete a home.
Wow.
Yeah, so really excited from interior to exterior. So I think you guys are going to help make our home beautiful.
Thank you so much. So, what do you have to say to the fans that have been watching? Like, some people don't really trust that if it's a real company.
Exactly. Well, I think you can trust me and Jonathan that what he says in his videos, and Moon, his partner, George Group can deliver for bathroom, kitchen cabinets, stone. We've got exterior products. So we will definitely be working with you in the future.
Thank you so much, Diana, and God bless you for this. Thank you for the
Yes.
support.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. All right. Today has been a busy day, and as you see, we just picked up our customer from the hotel, and now we're about to go back to the hotel. They love what they found here, and if you have any inquiries, please reach out to George Group, and we'll pick you up, and you can bring it to our showroom. That's it for today. Bye bye.